Okay, here we are at Griswold showing the three types of stuffing boxes we use. To the left we've got our standard bore stuffing box. In the middle we have our large bore stuffing box. And on the right we have our taper bore stuffing box. As you can see just by the three different styles here, if you want to zoom in, this one's going to be a lot smaller for the standard bore. Large bore, of course, like its name, is going to be the large. Taper bore is going to be the same size, but it's going to have these bumps inside of it. And if we back out, all three are set up to use both component and cartridge seal, but only the standard bore is set up to use a packing line, or packing pump. Okay, here we are looking at our standard bore stuffing box. This is the only one that can accept packing. This one can also accept a component seal and a cartridge seal, single and double cartridge seals. It's usually used for mild applications, ambient temperatures. A lot of times we like to use a flush seal on there if there is any type of elevated temperatures to dissipate some of the heat. Okay, now you can see here we've got our large bore stuffing box. Of course, the large bore shows in here as compared to a standard bore, which is a lot smaller area. We typically use large bore for solids over 10% and paper stock up to 5%. The paper stock really depends on the suction and discharge of the pump. That way we get the correct solids that can go through it. Another thing we use here, it's good for component seals, cartridge seals, both single and double. And because of the large area, it's also great for heat dispersion. Okay, now we're looking at our taper bore stuffing box. As you can see, it's going to have the same diameter as our large bore stuffing box, except it's got the ribs in here. What the ribs do, they're used for solids removal. For anything less than 10%, it directs solids away from the seal face. It also removes any trapped air and vapors, and it's also great for the heat dispersion because of the size.